Okay, hey guys, I want to do a midweek analysis review slash what exactly? I do not know slash what, but this week I have got US30. US30 has been okay. Let's go to the 4H time frame. US30 has been on an uptrend, as you can see. US30 has been on an uptrend, breaking structure, come back to resistance, breaking structure, come back to resistance, breaking structure. And this time it failed to break this structure up here. And then what it did, it broke the trend line, of which this trend line has been holding for weeks now. So that means price is actually considering going to the downwards. Price is actually now starting to consider going to the downwards, but I am not going to look for sales as yet. I have to wait for price to a little bit give me assurance. Yes, we've broken the trend line, came back to retest, but now what I will be looking for here to take this trade, this trade to continue go to the downside. I'll wait for price to come down, break this again. So this will be first breakout, break and retest, and this will be second break and retest. So I'll wait for the second break and retest, price come back to retest this area, and I'll be looking for my sells here to continue with the trend. And I am always making sure, I will always make sure ukuthi I trade with the trend. Don't try and be a hero, guys. Do not try and be a hero. This is forex trading, and the truth is we do not control these markets. And also I have NAS 100. As you all know, ukuthi 100 NAS 100 goes hand to hand with USDT. So almost the same thing here. NAS 100 is breaking structure to the upside, and it broke structure. I was actually looking for buys. I was actually looking for buys here, but I was not in the market because maybe I think I would have taken this trade and lost it, but I was not in the market at that time. So I missed the trade, and luckily for me, I was not in the trade, and it went against my predicted direction because this was my support. So I expected the price to break this, come back, retest, and continue going up as the trend is up. But now the price has broken this little trend line. I'll just say little trend line for now. Broken this little trend line, came back to retest it. I'm sure some people wanted to get in here. They got faked out, maybe news, I do not know. But I did not touch this area at all. What I am looking for here is for price to come back, to come down, break this zone here, come back to retest it, and then we continue going outside. For now, I'm not really worried about this second trend line. Maybe if you can week it out, maybe just a week here before we come back and retest, I'll be good. I'll be taking this trade happily. So also here in NAS 100, I'll be looking for sales if something like this happens. If something like this does not happen, then I'll continue looking for my buys. Maybe price will go up here, maybe it will go up. Maybe price will go up and come back to retest this area again. Maybe I will look for buys here because the overall 4-hour trend is still up until maybe we break this trend line and then break some zones here, and then the trend is gonna probably start changing from. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, I took this trade, I think it's been like 2 weeks now. Yeah, and it worked out like today. So same thing here, same thing. Same thing here. Price has been trending downwards, trending downwards, breaking structure, come back to retest, break structure, come back to retest, break structure, come back to retest, break structure, come back to retest. And now I was waiting for price to come back here, retest this area and continue going down, but it failed to do that. Instead, price went up and came down. I did not want to, let's go to one now. I did not want to get in this zone because I felt it's too early. I felt the price hasn't balanced for me, but to some people this was a good trade. This was a good trade, but I did not take it. Price came back again to give me another opportunity, but also I did not take this because I did not find the right entry for my liking. So I watched the price again. The price went up, came back down, and the price gave me my right entry, which is I was patient enough to wait for my right entry. I just, after this candle, I just set my buy stop, set my stop loss, and set my take profit. Price almost took me out like twice, but it didn't. Luckily, I was on the lucky side because we all know how frustrating it is for price to just tap you out and then continue in your directions. But here I was lucky enough not to be tapped out. And today I woke up and my TP was hit. Because I did not check the markets later, like, because this TP signals OT, it was hit around like 6 p.m. South African time, yeah. But I did not check the markets then. I woke up today, checked the markets, I'm like, oh, okay. So a nice trade there, nice trade. And also we got USD JPY. USD JPY. I've also been waiting for this trade. I think it was here when I first analyzed this pair, and I was actually looking for buys because I was looking for this market to continue go up, break this, come back to retest it, and then we continue go up because the trend is to the upwards. But it stayed in this range for a long time, and faked out some people here. For sure, some people wanted to buy this year, but it faked them out. I was chilling. I'm still chilling even right now. I'm not taking any trade on USD JPY as of yet, but now it looks promising. It looks very promising because the only thing I'm waiting for it now, it is broken to the downside convincingly. That's another thing. It is broken to the downside convincingly, breaking the trend line, breaking the support. Now just wait for price to come back here, retest this area, look for my entry, look for my entries here to continue with the trend, because now I believe price would be a little bit matured. The trend will be a little bit, because we've broken two strong levels by then. So USD JPY, I'll be looking for sales here. Only sales for now. Only sales. And then we go to USD, similar to Euro USD. USD is so similar to Euro USD. Oh, I did not say I'm on a daily time frame. The only time I check daily time frame is maybe on the weekends, but it's rare for me to just go each and every day go on a daily time frame. Nah, it's rare. I always always go 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Those are my main time frames. So um AUD USD, simple things, man, simple things. Also, I think I took this trade, when was it? Last week? Excuse me. So price has been going down, breaking structure, come back to retest, break structure, come back to retest, and now it broke structure here. And I actually had this zone here drawn like this, but I did not get the entry because I wanted to enter the price here, but I did not get my right entry. And also I saw Uguti, if I take this trade here, the RR is not favoring me. The R, as you can see, the RR is 0.93. So I saw Uguti, the IR is not favoring me. So I chose to stay out of that entry. And then as time goes on, I saw Uguti, this is actually resembling head and shoulder pattern. And I saw this when the price was here. And I just took 11, draw a zone from my left shoulder, dragged it across, and I waited. I think price stayed here for like a week, and I waited. It went up, and I thought, okay, price is not gonna come to my zone, and it's fine. It's fine, really. I do not have a fear of missing out. If it goes, it goes. If it comes back to my area, I'm gonna take it. If it doesn't, I will not take it. And luckily, maybe this was a fake out. I don't know. Fake out some people. I do not know. Maybe I don't know. I focus on me. I don't focus on other people. I don't focus on other strategies. Okay, this strategy, they were faking retailers. They were faking whatever. Now I do not focus on that. And then the price luckily came to my zone, 11 a.m. I'm trading, gave me my entry, and then I just put my stop loss below the zone. And yeah, man, the trade is still going strong. And I took half here. I'm up like 3.5. When it was 7R this morning, I took half. So I've taken 3.5 from this trade, but the overall TP is like 10R or something. Yeah, it's like 10R. So when I add that 3.5 plus 10R, it's probably gonna be like, since I've taken half, it's probably gonna be like 9R, 8R. It's not gonna be like full 10R. No. So yeah. This is for this week for me. This is how the week has been going for me.